Hey guys, this is Japan Master channel. Surprisingly, Japanese yen is very weak at the moment against the dollar. Right now, Japanese yen is 144. It's so weak. So it's a good time for people from overseas to come in Japan. But right now, the border has only open for the tourists with a tour. So once the border has opened for the individual tourists, I will tell you with a 1 minute short video as soon as possible. So if you could subscribe my channel, that would be great. Anyway, today's video is about cooking Japanese food series. Today's menu is Gyudon. It is one of the typical Japanese foods. Most important part of cooking Gyudon is the amount of the seasoning. We usually use sugar, soy sauce, and mirin for seasoning. Mirin is a sweet rice wine, and hopefully you get to figure out how to make the gyudon with today's video. These are the necessary ingredients for cooking beef bowl. From the left, beef, mirin, soy sauce, and brown sugar, and the onion and garlic. At first, cut vegetable. Next, put cooking oil on frying pan, and I'm gonna stir fry vegetable and meat. For the seasoning, add sugar and add mirin. Then later on, put some soy sauce. Take some rice on the bowl. On the top of the rice, put some cooked beef and vegetables. for the topping, when you went to the Gyudon restaurant, you will probably find out there are a variety of choice for you to make. Like some people like to put kimchi, okra, and cheese. From now, I will tell you my favorite combination of the ingredients. Those are the raw egg, green onions, and a bunch of red ginger. On the center, make a room and put raw egg. Add sliced green onions. Lastly, add red gingers. This is the completion of cooking gyudon, the beef bowl. When I eat this, I stir them. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please press like, and if you want to know more about Japan, please press subscribe button. Yeah, I'm going to continue to making the cooking Japanese foods. So I will see you soon. Bye.